Hello, welcome. Today's topic are from current affairs. Prime Minister pays tribute to Sant Kabir Das on his birth anniversary, acknowledging his lifelong dedication to social harmony and reform.
India participates in second session of IALA Council as Vice President in Nice, France.
India, as the Vice President of the International Organization for Marine Aids to Navigation, IALA, actively participated in the second session of the IALA Council, held in Nice, France. The IALA Council is the key decision-making body of the intergovernmental organization responsible for marine aids to navigation. The Indian delegation was led by Shri T.K. Ramchandran, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, and included Shri Mukesh Mangal, Joint Secretary, and Shri Karthik Chensudar, Director.
Indian Army contingent reaches Mongolia for multinational military exercise Conquest.
The Indian Army contingent reached Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia today for the multinational military exercise Conquest, which is scheduled to be conducted from 14th to the 28th of June 2025. Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan to interact with farmers in Bardoli, Gujarat tomorrow, the 12th of June 2025 under the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan.
The 15-day Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan will conclude tomorrow. This 15-day campaign started from Odisha on the 29th of May. Under this nationwide campaign, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan has so far interacted with farmers from Odisha, Jammu, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana and Delhi. In this series, tomorrow he will meet farmers in Bardoli, Gujarat and discuss their practical problems.
Only Aadhaar authenticated user can book Tatkal tickets on IRCTC website and app from July 1st.
With an aim to ensure fair and transparent access to Tatkal tickets and to safeguard the interests of genuine passengers, Indian Railways has announced key modifications in the Tatkal ticket booking system. These changes are aimed at enhancing user authentication and reducing misuse of the scheme.
The new provisions are Aadhaar authentication for online Tatkal bookings,
system-based OTP authentication at PRS counters and agents,
booking time restriction for authorized agents.
Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh holds bilateral meeting with Norway's Minister of Fisheries and Ocean Policy, EMS, Marianne Sivertsen-Næss.
Discusses about the development in the marine resource management, sustainable fisheries, and the blue economy.
That's all for today. We'll be back with a new video tomorrow. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you. We will meet you tomorrow with a new video.